How you doing? What's going on? Fuck it. Okay.
Please enter the shuttle for today's therapy session.
Yep.
Your God's eye.
Congratulations, you're officially inside. Welcome, sir. Only the one place so ungodly awful that Murkoff doesn't protect. I'm sorry to say, head for the light. Stay to the septic tank. Hold your nose. Try not to get anything in your mouth. I wish that...
You are a wayward child, tempted by wicked influences, eager to prove you still obey Father. Don't think of this as a loyalty test, but as a reaffirmation of vows, a vaccination against hysteria. We've always known which of you betrayed us. Conquer them. Show us you still want to get better. Together.
See that?
Rascals.
Look at that. What's helpful? See that? Get that shit out. Look at that. Check that shit out.
Section B completed.
Look at that.
Must be here.
Look.
getting any younger.
Might help.
You are the true believer, tempted by a false prophet. You do not serve liars. You serve the idea utterly destroyed our visions again and again until she never existed at all. You Tomorrow's wars will be endless and quiet, and we will win them with silent weapons like you.
Sounds good.